when they departed from Weymouth in their big boats and then got aboard the landing craft, and then they had to disembark whilst a hail of bombs, mortars, cannon fire, MG42 crossfire just mowed them down on the beaches. I mean, it's, wow. Yeah, we salute you all. Age 20, that poor soul. Wow. There's even more back down there. I didn't even know those were there. It looks quite big actually, I didn't know it was this big. I really didn't know. But what I'll do, instead of going down there today, I think I'll come back another time with my friend, and at least he can get some content done for his channel then. Because both of us have been, well, we haven't done anything for about 6 months due to, you know, personal things and that in our lives. But yeah, you see a lot of these small crosses, guys, the smaller ones, a lot of them haven't got names on, but you know, quite a few of them have as well. But yeah, it's kind of what's the word? That's nice. Yeah, I hope you can hear me, guys. It is a bit blowy again today, but hopefully everything's all right. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Dave. I'm the Urban Vault 69. Yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, where, you know, urban exploring, I mean, you know, I don't, well, it's a bit of everything really, I guess, but yeah, if you like it, you know what to do. Subscribe, give us a like, and tickle that little bell icon so I get you get notified, me get notified. I don't need notifying, but yeah, so like, subscribe, tickle the bell icon, and let's just carry on, shall we? Okay. Right. Oh yeah, there's a nice view of the harbour there, guys. Look. Down over there, that's Portland Port. Used to be owned by the Royal Navy. I think they took it over in 1996. But again, don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. It was in the 90s anyway. And I don't know if you could just see down there, there's a couple of mulberry docks. And they're big concrete floating, like a harbour really, and that's what they dragged across the channel to Normandy so that the ships could anchor it, you know, moor up against them, and then they got all the tanks and things and vehicles and everything off and drove them along the top. Obviously they had like bridge things going in between each one, but yeah, that's what they did. It's all very good stuff. Very good stuff. Right. But look at that, man. Look at it. You know, their lives just cut short. All because of twisted rulers in the world, you know? That's all it is, at the end of the day. And you know, you think about it with everything that's going on in the world today as well, with Russia, North Korea. I don't know if YouTube algorithm's going to allow me to say things like that, but well, I mean, it's not just that, is it? It's not just that. Think about it. All the starving people, the poverty. It's greed. Just outright greed by the rich and the powerful. But the funny thing is, though, we all go along with it, don't we? So we only got ourselves to blame, really. You know, if you want to take over, everybody's got to stand up. Everyone. Right, yeah, less of the politics, because nobody wants to hear me rant about that. I could do that for days. Yeah, let's get back on the go, and we'll have a go up. We'll go up to the Verne up there, up yonder, up there. Go up there, have a little mooch about, and see what we can see. I've got to get you guys plugged back into the bike now. Well, not plugged back into the bike, but I'm going to sit you all on my handlebars. Right. Come on. Get in the hole. That's what she said. Right. Battery pack on the frame. There we go. Right. Take the lock off. Oh, nice gusty breeze there. That was nice. Come here, Guiltiness, talking about their guiltiness, rests on their conscience. Oh yeah, oh yeah. These are the big fish, these are the big fish, always try to eat down the small fish. I'm just a small fish. They would do anything to materialize your every wish. Oh yeah. Ah, what a lovely day. What a wonderful day! La 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 la. Yeah, it's alright, peeps. My fellow subscribers, friends. My name's Dave. Everybody knows a Dave, yeah, well I'm just Dave the Minion. That's me. Oh wow. Very humid, guys. This is the main tunnel entrance to the Verne prison. Hello, Brian. Big radar there, guys. It's the new one. Oh, I tell you, it's so humid. Staff only up there. Let's go down here then. Go down here. I guess. This is where Matt came. Secret vault. Yeah, he come in there. That was the. I wonder if that's open. They probably locked it now, actually. I'd imagine they've locked it. I'll go and check that a sec. Would have been good. Yeah, they've put a new lock on there, so. But that's it. If it's locked, you don't go in. You don't try and force it. That's not what. That's not what we do.